Moeni. My name is Karena, this is Shanae, and we are building strength by moving off-grid. Each week we will share our progress as we begin to bring this off-grid vision to life. For our Patreons, we'll begin an additional private blog that shares more details and answers your personal questions. So you may have noticed that our video was uploaded and deleted. I edited it, didn't realize that I didn't edit it properly, and was kind of rushed. Because to be honest, I don't really want to be a vlogger necessarily, but I realize there's a lot of things that I don't really want to do, but I'd rather do them for myself than for anyone else. So we're gonna go for it. You're gonna slow things down a little bit and spend a bit more time taking videos, editing, and bringing everything to life. So we'll do better next time. Yeah, it was a bit rushed. Shanae wasn't feeling very well, and I've been working a lot at the school and coaching, and I was trying to record it. Well, recorded one evening and then edit it the next, and just trying to go for it at the same time because I don't want to work so much at the school, but I realized that, or anywhere, the restaurant or gardening, which I was doing a lot of, but if we want to go for it, we gotta go for it. We're vloggers now. We gotta start sharing our story if we hope to get support for our projects and for everything that we want to do, and just to be able to help everyone else, because that is the reason we want to go off-grid, is to be able to help our friends grow food. Food was obviously the main driver of all of this, because a lot of our friends didn't have food during the pandemic, and food insecurity globally is a rising concern and something we want to be aware of and do something about. So step one, we're going back to South Africa, gonna set up on the land, gonna get some goats, get some chickens, and start fixing the soil. So today, I'm gonna see what I can do with this stick. I've laid the stencil down. Looks pretty good. Been thinking of ideas to hide this overspray, make that look a little bit neater. I also want to touch this shirt up, thinking a line through here, just to make that look a little neater. And then start advertising. We're hoping to raise a little bit more funds for our gardens when we go back by selling t-shirts and painting sticks. We will be going back in January. That's when we'll be building our decks and starting to get ready for animals. So my plan to touch this up with some white to cover up where the overspray happened isn't really gonna work because there's no more white. So I guess we'll just practice with the blue a little bit. I'm gonna try to paint this part of the S blue, bottom part of this blue, some red here. Let's see what happens. I've been working a lot of random jobs over the last 6 months, so I'm looking forward to doing something that means a little bit more to me, which, especially because this is Bryson's gear, I think it'll be really special, and I look forward to painting and doing more planning, thinking only about our ideas and getting ourselves ready and enjoying the process a little bit more other than working for someone else. Down here is the compressor. This gauge isn't working. And each of these has stencils and paint. This is what we can use to make our own stencils, which I've done here. Ship is it, baby. Ship is it.
Don't you worry, I have the shop.
Oh yes. Look at that. Oh. I want to cover up. Can you bring me the... No, wait. Let me just... I'm not sure if the whole... which part of this is red and which part of this is blue. I think it's just cut in half like that. I'll go check. Into that. I'm just gonna spray a little around here on the bottom. I should put more tape there. And then this T to the S. T to the S. Today I was supposed to go to the alumni game at Shippensburg, but Shanae wasn't feeling well, and it was nice to spend some time with my brother, Brent, who was in town for the weekend, and something like that. Decided to go for it and do some painting. I've been kind of hesitant to paint. Partly because, oh no, I just put some blue on there. I'll have to cover that up later. It was a little messy, I spilled earlier, but been a little hesitant to start, mostly because, you know, it's kind of scary to do something for yourself, but also, this was Bryson's painting kit, so I wanted to wait until I could do it right before I could start. But there's also no perfect time, so it's time to learn. Gotta keep things cleaner, learning the hard way. And we ran out of white paint, so also have to order some more of that so we can cover up our mistakes. But so far, so good. I think it was maybe a little fate that we didn't go to Ship today. Here I am painting our stick for Ship, but got a little bit more confidence in painting, getting a little more confidence in vlogging as well. So we'll see. Let's take the tape off and see what we got. Changing colors is a little bit of effort. We have to take this blue out and clean it out. Put our next color in. love that. I think that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna fix this with some red. Those lines will go away. I'm gonna improve this blend here. I really like how this turned out. I blurred the lines a little bit, getting more comfortable with the smaller lines. I think laying the paint lighter will also help soften the lines. I'm hoping that these blue ones will look much better. So now, let's do the ship. I am not going to add tape this time because I want to get a little bit of a blend into the blue. I've also gotten more comfortable with the little lines, so I think this will work out nicely. Hopefully. Bryson's friends would say that's probably a good 10-footer. Stating it looks good from 10 feet away. Up close, it's okay. Oh yes, that looks a lot better. Come over here. See, the red's a bit heavy. The blue looks good. Ooh, yes. Oh yeah. Difference between the blue and the red. So you can never fully cover up this like 3D layers of paint, but this is looking much better. Oh, yeah, layer them very carefully, but like if you put them on too heavy, then it's thick and it kind of seeps under the stencil. You shouldn't feel it, no matter how many layers you put. But yeah, see, this looks just as dark, but so smooth. Just making a casual Saturday morning fire.
Yeah, my hair nog don't look bad for someone that laid on them for 2 days.
No, you look good.
Oh.
Mine at work. Just like saying. Taking a break from our painting. What's a biggie fear? And my little brother's here this weekend, so we're gonna paint in the morning. Go learn about some fantasy football later. Giving Shanae the real American experience. Shanae's getting the real American experience.
Real American experience, yep.
That's pretty legit. That's cool.
So how do you battle someone for a player?
You pick your positions or trade.
You try to trade picks. Shut.
Took too long.
Shanae, ask him.
If we pick the same player.
Oh, that doesn't happen.
Next up on our American experience journey,
Bonfire!
That mower needs a tune-up.
Are we putting that in the middle of the bonfire?
I think so.
Well, how is it on the other side? I don't want it to fall on. Where'd it go?
In the middle.
In the middle.
Okay, just spot.
Can I take the phone from you?
Just spot. That's more like I want.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Is that good?
That's good, yeah. Okay.
Smells good.
Yeah? In the middle.
I'm trying to.
Oh, put it in. Oh yeah. It's gonna blow!
Take a walk around.
I say you did a good job in that fire. Yeah. I ain't disappointed. As long as everything burnt down to nothing. It's about a while. Like, yeah.